Hello, Ismail.
Hello, Vida.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. What's your daily routine?
I get up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I have my breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I sometimes play video games. I do my homework. I have dinner with my family. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. And you?
I get up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I have my breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock. I do my homework. I go to bed at 8 o'clock.
What do you do in your free time?
I play football.
Me too. I like football.
Good, I'm so happy.
Hello, Sam.
Hello.